Oh dear people. Oh, I'm a bit froggy. I've only had 2 coffees.
How to get?
Following on from me rescuing that little sparrow, we seem to have got to a graveyard.
Wow.
Oh God, look at this. Can you see the skulls? Another one over there. And these are more fresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a skull there. 6, 7, 8, 9. We seem to have found the 10. 10 people. 10. We found the killing fields here.
11.
11. 11. 12. How many more? 12.
13 in there.
13.
13. 14.
14. And it's still going.
15.
15. Oh God, 15. That's terrible. Right, we're up to 18 now. 18, and there's more inside. So basically, oh, there's another one. There's over 20. Over 20 birds have died, stuck inside this bloody post. So obviously they're nesting in the top there, and the chicks are falling down this pipe. 20 of them. The thing is, there's 3 more pipes. There's 3 more of them. So how many bloody skeletons is there? Well, I suppose the right thing to do really is to go up there and block the top of that off so they can't nest in there anymore. I mean, I'm supposed to weld that back on, but it's still got 3 sides on it. It's not going to buckle. Well, there you go, people. A skeleton graveyard. Poor little sparrows. All the plastic they use to make their nests as well, look. So, here endeth the sad tale. But at least I've saved one. Lucky, lucky bastard.